Have you ever been caught in a sudden downpour and wondered if it could turn into a flash flood? These powerful and unpredictable events can happen anywhere, and knowing how to prepare and stay safe is crucial. This video will equip you with the knowledge to navigate the dangers of flash floods and emerge unscathed. Flash floods are rapid-onset floods that develop within a few minutes to a few hours of excessive rainfall, a dam or levee failure, or even a sudden release of water. Their speed and force make them incredibly dangerous. They can occur in various environments, but certain areas are more prone. Be aware of dry washes and steep canyons, where water can quickly accumulate and surge. Even urban areas with inadequate drainage systems can become flash flood hotspots. The speed at which flash floods develop leaves little time for warning. That's why staying informed about weather forecasts and alerts is absolutely vital. Pay attention to local news, weather apps, and emergency notifications. Preparation is key to increasing your chances of survival. Start by creating a comprehensive emergency plan. Assemble an emergency kit containing essential supplies like water, non-perishable food, a first aid kit, a flashlight, a battery-powered radio, and a way to charge your mobile phone. Identify safe evacuation routes from your home and workplace. Know multiple ways to get to higher ground. Familiarize yourself with local emergency services in your area. Know how to contact them and understand the local evacuation protocols and designated safe areas in your community. When a flash flood warning is issued, or if you notice rapidly rising water, your immediate actions are critical for your safety. Never attempt to drive through flooded areas. It's impossible to judge the depth and speed of the water, and honestly, even a small amount of moving water can sweep away a vehicle. "Turn around, don't drown" is a life-saving motto. If you're caught in a flash flood, seek higher ground immediately. Don't underestimate the power of rushing water. Climb to the highest possible point, a sturdy building, a hill, or even the roof of your car if you find yourself trapped. Stay informed by monitoring weather updates and official emergency alerts. Follow the instructions provided by local authorities through radio, TV, or official social media channels. The danger doesn't end when the water recedes. There are still significant risks to be aware of. Thoroughly clean and sanitize any areas affected by floodwater to prevent mold growth and the spread of disease. Wear protective clothing and use appropriate cleaning agents. The recovery process can be challenging, so don't hesitate to reach out to local support organizations in local areas for assistance with housing, financial aid, and rebuilding efforts. In summary, remember these crucial steps. Understand the dangers, prepare in advance, stay safe during the flood by avoiding floodwaters and seeking high ground, and be cautious during the recovery phase. Share this vital information with your family and friends in area and beyond. Honestly, being prepared and informed can make all the difference in surviving a flash flood. For more detailed information and support, please visit the websites and contact the organizations listed on your screen.